Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to freeze your SoFi debit or credit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom of the screen, we have the Discover. We also have the Watch List. We have the Account, Invest. We have the Orders, and in the bottom right corner, the Social. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and freeze your SoFi debit or credit card. So first of all, of course, you need to go and log into your SoFi account via the website or mobile app where we are at the moment. Then navigate to the SoFi Money page. So you need to go and find the Money page on your account here. After that, select More and then select Debit Card. Toggle the Freeze card, which switch to freeze or unfreeze your card. Of course, log into your SoFi account via the best website or mobile app. Navigate to your credit card section. Click More and then Your Card. And then toggle the Freeze card button on or off to add or remove a freeze. Freezing your card is a great way to prevent unauthorized transactions if you temporarily misplace it. If your card is lost or stolen, it's best to report it immediately to get a new card issued. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.